Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the back tap to open up accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we tap on Touch. Now swipe up to go down. At the bottom here, tap on Back Tap. Now you can choose whether to use double tap or triple tap. So let's choose double tap and then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Whenever you want to open up the accessibility shortcut, now you can double tap at the back like that, and that will open up the accessibility shortcuts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.